Hi, it's Jake with Hearted Reflections Butcher Block, and I'm here with John again with Stone Ridge Woodcraft. And we've got a really fun project today. We're using our brand new live edge teak. And I know John, you've worked with our product for years. What do you think about this teak?
Well, you know, when we unpackaged it in my shop, the first thing I noticed was the quality of the packaging. They actually use a masonite and then cardboard over top of that, and the edges, I mean, it arrived in beautiful shape. The finish on it was probably some of your premium finish that I've seen, and it's going to be a real great product.
Yeah, we're looking forward to this one. We're going to take these old tops, rip them out of here, and show you what the finished product looks like. It's going to be fun. All right, so we finished our kitchen and it looks fantastic. So I'd like you to take you through a few things that we did with this particular teak product. One of the things we did right here is we used a miter joint opposed to a butt joint right here. With a little bit of our excess block, we actually cut out a backsplash. So it was a very, very simple process. It looks really good and it looks sharp. A couple of the things that people will find interesting or make this more their style is just take a look at our live edge right here. And we've done a live edge, and we get questions all the time about how to seam these things. So we actually put two blocks between this sink right here. And when we seamed these, there was a little lip. We just simply sanded that down to make it nice and smooth, and it looks really, really good. So what we did here is we took a 4-foot block and knocked it down. So what you can see is we only need about 3 feet of that. The really cool thing about our waste material, we can simply add it here as a backsplash, so it flows into the product really well and it looks excellent. So in summary, when we started here, we had a very common kitchen, and it took just a little bit of work. And with so many different cookie cutter houses out there, creativity is sometimes lacking. So with little elbow grease, a little bit of time, in a few days, we have a gorgeous kitchen from the Hearted Reflections teak. We know you'll love this stuff, so consider this product. We think you'll be really happy.